Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I bought in Copenhagen, and I finally got something that I have wanted for a while and I can't wait to show you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and fashion in general. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. So I have bought a few items in Copenhagen. I didn't buy that much, and that's because I'm going to Paris in 2 weeks, so I am kind of saving up for the Paris trip. However, I did buy something that I really wanted and I have been searching for a long time. So we can start with the least special ones. Currently I'm kind of into fragrance, so I have bought something from Labo, and I also bought his and hers perfume for me and my boyfriend. We can start with his. So this is the Labo Another. I really like the scent and I think I'm going to steal this one, even though it's for him. And I also got it customized with his name on it. And let's move on to mine. Mine is kind of like a summer fragrance and it is called Loose. And I also got mine customized with my name on it. As I said, this is more a summer fragrance. So this is my summer perfume and I really love it and I can't wait to use it. And next item I bought is the Hermès foundation. I have heard many good things about this foundation. However, I feel that it is a foundation, so how good can it be? But when I tried it on, I was sold right away. So yeah, let's unbox it. I bought this in the Copenhagen Hermès store. This was the only thing I bought from that store. However, I asked about many things, but they didn't have anything in stock. So I ended up just buying this foundation, and I'm very happy that I bought it because it is a little bit expensive, but this is the perfect summer foundation. It is very lightweight and it also gives that natural glow, and for me I'm going to use it the rest of the summer because it is the perfect one when you are looking for a little bit coverage but at the same time not into doing your full makeup. I got it in 20 sable, which is matching my skin tone very well. And I really like the details of it. You can see the Hermès logo on the top. I really like the plastic packaging because then you don't have to worry about dropping it. And also you can easily get all the foundation out of this packaging. So that was a little thing from Hermès. Let's move on to more beauty. I also shopped at Chanel Beauty. We have Chanel Beauty in Norway. However, the selection of it isn't that big. So now I have finally managed to get something that I have wanted for a long time. So the first item I bought is something that I use every day, and it's the Hydra Mist. This is also perfect for summer because it gives that cooling effect on your face. I use this every day, and especially when I'm tanning. It is very refreshing and just spraying it on your face. And here is the product. I use this every day before I do my skincare routine, both night and day. So this is my favorite product and I re-buy it every time. So the second product I bought from Chanel Beauty is a blush. I wasn't planning to buy a blush, but when the lady tried it on me, I think it was very fitting for my colors. So I ended up buying it because I couldn't say no because it was so beautiful. And here is the blush. The color can look a little bit scary, but when you have it on, it is the most perfect blush I have ever tried. And I got it in the shade Rouge Profonde. And I also got a lot of freebies from Chanel. This is testers for the #1 series, which I already have the day cream for. So that's convenient. I really want to try everything from that series. The next thing I got is a body cream, and this also I didn't plan to buy, but when the lady tried it on my hand, I couldn't resist it. The texture was so light and I couldn't say no. So here it is. It is like a pump here, and the texture is the most creamiest one. You can see here. And it also really dries into the skin very fast, which I'm a very big fan of, because I don't like my skin to get sticky, and also the scent is very good. So I think this one is also going to be a favorite that will stick to my routine. And the last thing I bought from Chanel Beauty is something that I have wanted for a long time, and it's the body oil. And this is impossible to get in Norway. They don't sell it, they only sell the fragrances, which has the same bottle, but they don't sell the body oils. And I don't understand why, because they are so good and they look so stylish, and I think I want them in every scent that they make, and I can't wait to use it. I got this one in the vanilla scent, and I really like vanilla, so that's why I got the vanilla one. And the sales associate said that I could use both of them combined, and then they will have the most effect. I'm really happy with this purchase, and I really love the details on the body oil. I think it is very stylish, and it's kind of like a decor piece in your home. So I'm very happy that I finally managed to get this body oil, and as I said earlier, I think I'm going to buy every single scent of this, and I have saved the best for last. So let's move on to Chanel. I bought this in the Copenhagen store, and to be honest, I think this is the first purchase I have done in Chanel in person. So it was a really good experience. As I said in the vlogs, I was visiting a friend who lives in Copenhagen, and here is her Instagram name. So please consider follow her. And she was so kind and shared her essay with me, and it was very nice. At first I was a little bit disappointed by the stock, because they didn't have anything that I wanted. But after a while he came back, and he came back with the thing that I have been searching for in almost 3 years. And it sounds kind of ridiculous because it is just small thing, but it is something that I really wanted, and let's unbox it. And you can probably guess by the box what kind of category it is, but let's see. So here we have my new Chanel card holder in caviar leather in black with gold hardware, and I couldn't be happier with it. I really love the style, and it is just the perfect card holder for me, because it can hold cards and also some other small things. And I really like the look of it with the Mona Lisa pocket in the back, and also that you have this flap where you can close it like you cannot do with my Hermès card holder. And I really wanted caviar because this is going to be my main card holder, and I want it to be very durable because I'm using my card holder all the time, and I'm putting it in my jacket, but I don't feel for grabbing a bag. So I think this is the best card holder that I can have. When he first showed me his stock of SLGs, I wasn't that happy because he didn't have anything that I wanted. He had this one with lambskin in black with silver hardware, which I don't prefer, because when I'm getting my classic flap, I'm going to get it in gold hardware, and all my bags are in gold hardware, so I don't think that silver will match my style that much. So when he brought out this one after a while, I was so happy. And I also tried many things at Chanel, but the stock was very limited and I didn't find anything else that I wanted. I considered buying some earrings, but I ended up not getting them because the one that I wanted was with stones. And as you might know, Chanel aren't known to be good at doing custom jewelry with stones because they always fall out. And my friend was actually there to pick up some earrings that the stones have fallen out. So I felt that I couldn't buy anything with stones then. And also I live in Norway where they don't have Chanel. So if I'm getting issues with the stones falling out, I cannot go into the store and deliver it, and it would be a hassle to send them back to them. So this was my first Chanel purchase, and I'm so happy that I finally got this SLG, and I can't wait to show you guys what I plan to buy in Paris. It was a really good experience and I really loved the essay. So I'm very thankful that my friend shared my essay with her, because now I can shop Chanel from Norway, which I couldn't do earlier. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase, and let's move on to the next one. This one I didn't plan to buy at all. And the weirdest thing is that it was on the airport. I was just looking in the store and I saw this thing that I have been searching for in a year. So I couldn't say no to it, and I really love when unexpected things happens. And I promise this is not a pair of shoes, but it kind of looks like it by the box, but it isn't. So let's unbox it. So here is my new bric-a-brac in the large size in beige, which I have wanted for the longest time, and finally I managed to get it. I bought a bric-a-brac in the green color in March, I think, and this one was in the small size and it was for my boyfriend, and so now I have it myself, only in the large size and also in beige, and I'm so happy that I dropped by the Hermès store in the airport, because I have been searching for this item on the website and also in the store in Oslo, but they didn't have it every time I checked and asked. And I wanted it in the beige color because I think the beige color will go best with my nice BB, which I use every single day. And the bric-a-brac is in textile, but I'm not concerned because it is water repellent, and I plan to put all my skincare in it and use my nice BB for only makeup, so I'm not concerned about getting stains or something like that. So yeah, let's take a look inside. I really like that you can open the strap here and it opens fully up then. And inside it is one big compartment with 4 side pockets. So it's quite roomy and you can fit a lot in it. And I also really like that you can also attach it here, so it can be changed to a different design, and also fits much more when you have it open like this. However, I think I prefer it like normal way with the top handle, and I have seen many people using this as a bag because of the top handle, but most of the people I have seen using it as a bag has been in the small size, and this is the large one, and I'm not that girl who uses her vanity case like a bag. So that was the things I have shopped in Copenhagen, and I hope you liked the items. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite item, and I can't wait to take you with me to Paris, because there I'm going to splurge a lot. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're not done watching me yet, Here is no video, and goodbye.